Vivian?
Reptile.
Reptile. It is a reptile. Very good. Why we call them as reptile? Because they crawl. They crawl on the land. They can live on both the water and the land, and they crawl on the land. Crawl பண்ணி வரும் ஊந்து வரும். Okay, crawl. Next, what is this?
Snake.
The snake. Snake is also a reptile. What is this, children? Lizard. Very good. It is a lizard. Lizard also a reptile. What is this?
Chameleon.
Very good. It's a chameleon. It's a very good. It's a chameleon. So does chameleon changes its color?
Yes.
Yes, it changes its color according to where it is to save itself. Okay, changes its color. What is this? Tortoise. If it lives in the water, we call it as turtle. As it is on the land, it is a tortoise. Tortoise doesn't know to swim. It's a tortoise. That's it. Some of the reptiles we had learned are crocodile, snake, lizard, chameleon, and tortoise. Right? Tortoise. Okay, children. One sec. Shall we start, ma? Are you all ready? Good morning, Iteshri. Good morning, Pranav. Good morning, Prisha. Good morning, Haripriya. Good morning, Arya. Good morning. Yes, good morning, children. Good morning, Shivanjali. Good morning, all of you.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So today, Nidulan will repeat after me. Nidulan, ready? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Come on, everybody. Come to your position for the Kids Anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings. Beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Very good.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. It's time for us to do the warm-up. Stand in the same position, we'll do it.
Sing with me. jump around.
Jump all of you.
Jump, jump around.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
I know a song and it goes like this.
I know a song and it goes like this.
Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me.
So relax, children. Drink a glass of water. Relax yourselves.
Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Santosh.
அன்னைக்கு மேம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க மேம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க
Come on, everybody. Answer for your attendance. Santosh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mama. What do you have to say?
Super, ma'am.
Huh?
குட் மார்னிங் மேம் சொல்லு
Super, ma'am.
Very good. Pranav. Arya. Sai Priyan. Yes. Manasa.
Here I am, Rashida, ma'am.
Jacinta.
Here I am, ma'am.
Krisha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Srishant.
Here I am, ma'am.
Hitaishri.
Here I am, ma'am.
Nidulan.
Here I am, Rashida, ma'am.
Ritvik.
అప్పుడు బెడ్ పైన నీళ్ళు పోతుంది ఇదేనా
Okay.
అంత మాత్రం వాటర్
Nitvin.
Here I am, ma'am.
Shivanjali.
Here I am, ma'am.
Haripriya. Super. So out of you two are not here. Okay. We will start, children, then. So we'll start with literacy. We had learned the uppercase letters, that is capital letters from A to Z, and the lowercase letters A to Y, small letters. Only one letter is remaining set. Today we will learn. Before that, you tell me what letter is this? What letter is this, children?
Why? Why?
Y. Very good.
I'm gum.
So, what letter is this? Santosh. Santosh, what letter is this?
Yes.
X it is. Easy, dear. How you have forgotten it? So the capital X and the small x is the same. The only difference from where we are starting it. Okay? So yes. Next is what letter is this?
Yes.
Anjali.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Super. Next is Nithwin. What letter is this?
H. N.
What letter is this?
Old is correct. கரெக்டா சொன்ன ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தான் கரெக்ட் சொல்லுங்க நீ
H.
H only. Very good. It's a H only. See, N and H has this difference of the length of the standing line. See, for H, this standing line will be like this. Lengthy standing line. For N, the standing line will be like this, small standing line. Okay? Next is, what is this, Manasha? 1 minute. Manasha, what? Very good.
Yeah, Mr. Manasa.
M is for Manasa. Superb. Next. Seshant, what is this?
Q.
Q. Very good. The small letter Q. Right. Hitayshri, what is this?
Yeah.
Huh? Hitayshri, what is this?
T.
T. It is. Very good. Small letter T. Next is, yes. What is this? 1 minute here. What is this? Whom shall I ask? Yes, Pranav, what is this?
I.
Hi, very good. Yes, Prisha, what is this, ma?
No, that's not J.
Prisha,
L.
L it is. Very good. You can put a lengthy standing line. L. Super. Haripriya, what letter is this, Haripriya?
This O for orange.
Very good. O for orange. Super. Nidulan,
Yes, ma'am.
what is this, dear? What letter is this?
R.
R. Small letter R. Very good.
Rabbit.
Yes. Rabbit. Jacinta, what is this?
U.
Huh?
U.
U. Small letter U. Right. Perfect. Sai Priyan. What is this?
Ma'am.
Huh?
D, ma'am.
D. It is. Very good. It is D. I think I've questioned all of you. If I missed anybody, tell me. I'll check anyhow for one time. Haripriya, Shinaldini, Twin, Netherlands, Hitesh, Shishan, Krishan. Yes. Arya. Right? I've missed Arya. Arya, what letter is this, Arya?
P.
P. It's a small letter P. Very good. So today, the last alphabet, that is the last letter we are going to learn, small letter. What is that? Y was the last letter we were learning, right? What comes after Y?
Z.
Z. Z, right? Z. The same. How we write the capital Z, in the same way we are going to write the small z also, but the size is different. This Z will come in between the second and third line alone. The capital Z, see, the capital Z you will be writing like this. One sleeping line like this in the first line, then one left slanting line from the line 1 to line 3, and then one sleeping line again in the last line, right? This is our capital Z, isn't it, children? So now, small z, the same one will write in a smaller size, and that will come in between the second and third line only. Put the sleeping line in the second line, and one slanting line till the next line, that is third line. From there, one more sleeping line. That's it. The small z. Small z. Shall we write this in the in our worksheet, children? Take the worksheet. Worksheet number D74 LT. D74LT. What is that? What animal is that, children? Zebra. Zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Is zebra a farm animal or a wild animal?
Wild animal.
Wild animal. Have you ever seen that a zebra is growing in the farm or in the nearby area? No. Zebra lives only in the forest, right? The animals which are all living only in the forest are the wild animals. See, as ma'am said, put one sleeping line. From there, one left slanting line. From the end point of that sleeping line, one left slanting line. From the end point of that slanting line, put one more sleeping line. Z. Yes. Now write it here.
Ma'am,
Yes. Who is it?
say hi.
Hello. Is it we have joined?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry for delay. Still, I'm waiting in lobby, so that's the reason I'm not able to connecting.
No problem. Yes. I'll mark attendance for him. Till then, all of you complete it. Just take page number, worksheet number D74 LT, dear. Very good, Prisha. Very good. Very good, ma. Very good. So, yes. Let some of our friends are still writing, no? Let them complete it. Very good, ma. Very good. Small letter Z. Small letter Z. Even I have completed. So, those who have finished, shall we fill the date, ma? First, fill your name. Next, the date of today is 20 2020 dot 10. The October has not completed yet. 10 dot 2021. Very good. If done, please fill your name and date, children. The next page will be your homework.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. So yes, some of our friends are still writing. Let's wait for them, children. Yes. Arya, Hiteshri, have you all completed theirs? Cyprian, sit properly, ma. Sit and write. Okay, Hiteshri, I'll wait for you. Cyprian, sit properly and write. தூங்கிட்டு எழுதக்கூடாதுமா.
No, no.
சொல்லு.
Ma'am, I am done.
Very good, Arya. Super. Nithwin, Santosh. Have you all completed?
He's still writing, ma'am.
Okay, write it, Nithwin. Nishri and Nithwin is writing still. How about Santosh? Have you completed, dear?
Pencil.
Shivanjali finished? Very good, Shivanjali.
I'm done, ma'am.
சொல்லு.
Very good, Hiteshri. Yes, Santosh. எழுதிட்டீங்களா?
எழுதுறா.
Okay, write it. Continue writing. So talk time session for Sishant, Hitayshri and Nidulan is today. Are you three ready?
Ready, ma'am, ready.
Okay, wait. Okay, then we will start. Okay, until others complete, we will start. Sishant, ready, ma? Nithwin finished. Very good, Nithwin. Okay, Nithwin. Yes, Sishant.
Ma'am, can you see my image, ma'am?
Yes,
Hello?
yes, I can see.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I can see.
So, everything for now.
Ayan, Sisha. Ayan, kakabot. Pwede ready, ma'am.
What is this?
Crab.
You don't?
Crab. Dolphin. Jellyfish. Starfish. Flying fish. Seahorse. Turtle. Mesere. Whale. Shark. Shrub. Seal.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Super, dear. Well prepared. Super. Super, children. So next will be Hitayshri. Be ready. Okay, after completing the numbers, you can give your show and tell. So how about Sai Priyan? When will you give Sai Priyan your talk time? When will you be ready, Sai Priyan and Santosh?
8, ma'am.
So when will you give your talk time?
Ma'am, the day after tomorrow, Friday, ma'am. Because
Okay.
I last 10 days I went to hospital, so
Okay.
that's why I come.
No problem. No problem. So Friday,
Okay, ma'am.
Sai Priyams. Okay, no problem. How about Santosh? Santosh. Santosh. When will you give your talk time, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
When will you give? Today, are you ready?
Hey, ma'am.
Ready?
Amma.
Yes or no? Vada, இதான் சொல்லுங்க.
Yes, sir.
ரெடியா?
Amma,
நீங்க
ready.
இன்னைக்கு டாக் டைம் கொடுக்குறீங்களா?
Amma, Dr. Ruder.
ஓகே, சந்தோஷ் ஸ்டார்ட்.
Okay, ma'am.
What, ma'am? Sorry, I just joined now only. What do you want? Do you want him to say rhymes or what?
No, not rhymes, sir. Talk time session was there, no? Santosh would have said by 11th itself. Yes, we have postponed it, no? So when will he be ready for the talk time?
Okay. Actually, we were in our native place for some urgency purpose. So today morning only we came back to Chennai.
Okay.
So unfortunately, we couldn't make him to tell today. So can you please give some time to make him to tell about himself?
Okay, sir. Then when will he be ready?
Yeah, give me 2 days and I will make him tell everything.
So then will he be ready by Friday?
Yeah, sure. I will make him ready.
Okay. Thank you. Santosh and Sai Priyan will be giving their talk time by Friday.
Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am.
No problem. Shishant has finished. So everybody next is numeracy, children. So we are going to learn the next two numbers, 53 and 54. Writing number 5 and 3 together is 53. One moment, I'll share that worksheet. Everybody take that worksheet. Okay. D74 empty. D74 empty. Those two numbers, 53 and 54, we are going to learn. So writing number 5, 3 and 3. 5 and 3 together is 53. Arya, count how many arrows, brushes are here.
How many brushes are there? Count. ஒழுங்கா count பண்ணு baby.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53.
Very good. Super. So group of 5 tens are here, right? So 50, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. After 50, 51, 52 and 53. Super dear. So next, let's start writing number 53 in the space given for it. 5, 3, 53. 5, 3, 53. 5, 3, 53. Five, 3, 53. So likewise, complete it fully.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Very good. Wait for our friends to complete.
கப்பியா மேம் ஏன் நான் கீழே
Completed.
பூச்சல இதெல்லாம் மூச்சுட்டாங்க
Completed children.
போதும் போதும்
Please be on mute, others.
Done, ma'am.
Very good. So have you all completed? Shall we move to the next number? Ready? Yes, Shivanjali, very good. Others.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, Jacinta, super.
completed சொல்லு
34. Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Very good, Santosh.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, super, Pranav. So what comes after 53? What number is the next number?
சொல்லு
Ma'am, I'm done, ma'am.
Very good.
54, ma'am.
54. Very good. The 54 only we are going to learn next. Once completed, come to this 54. Same way. How we write for 53? 5, 3. Here 5, 4. 5, 4, 54. Writing number 5 and 4 together, 54. This time, Nithwin will count with me. Nithwin, come on, how many flowers are here? Count it, dear.
Count. Little. Two flats. 10.
Nithwin, not Nidulan, Nithwin. Yes.
10, 20. Say loudly. Ah. Ah.
Very good. Please wait.
Ah. 51. Say loudly. Ah.
52, 53,
Mm.
54,
So totally how much? 50?
50,
50?
50,
No, it's 50.
54. So, 5 groups of 10. 10,
54,
20, 30, 40, and 50. 5 groups of 10 and 4 more here, right? 51, 52, 53, and 54. So, yes, totally 54 are here. Right, 54, 5, 4, 54. Finished? Very good. Wait for our friends to complete fully, children. If finished, please fill your name and date. Yes, if finished, please fill your name and date. 5, 4, 54.
சத்தமா சொல்லு
54, ma'am.
Yes, super.
And that man.
Done. Very good.
That's man.
Super. Then all of you are finished. Okay. 5, 4, 54. Fill your name and date. And the date today is 20.10.2021. Super. So how many of you are still writing it?
I'm still writing.
Okay, dear. Right. 5, 4, 54. So I have finished it. Now it's time for me to fill the date. 20 dot 10 dot 2021. So how about Arya? Have you finished it, dear?
Writing.
Okay, Hitesh, have you finished?
I'm the winner.
You're the winner. You have finished it then. Super. The next. Who else is still writing? I think all of you have completed it. Okay. Hiteshri, ready? Are you? To give your talk time?
Say. Yes.
I am Itastri.
Yes.
Hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Hello, dear.
I'll talk about the marine animals.
Okay.
Clam,
Okay.
crab,
Okay.
dolphin,
Okay.
flying fish,
Okay.
jellyfish,
Hmm.
India mantare,
Okay.
octopus,
Okay.
seahorse,
Okay.
seal,
Okay.
foot,
Okay.
shark,
Okay.
shrimp,
Okay.
foot,
Okay.
starfish,
Hmm.
turtle,
Okay.
whale.
Hmm.
That's it.
That's it. Thank you. Super Riteshri. Well prepared. Very nice. It would be better if you share and say, you know? No problem. Fine. Very good. Next. Superb. Superb. Dear, next we are going to continue learning the extinct animal children. Are you all ready? Have you all completed the numbers? Arya, have you completed, dear?
Last one.
Okay. Completed. What are all the extinct animals so far we had learned, children?
Together and dinosaur.
Yes? Dodo and one more is dinosaurs. Dinosaur and the
Dodo
dodo.
dinosaurs.
Two extinct animals so far we had learned. Today, one more we are going to learn. One more. So totally 3 extinct animals we are going to learn for this culmination. Okay? 3 extinct animals. Dinosaur, dodo, and the next one is mammoth. Woolly mammoth. Woolly mammoth. I'll show you how that woolly mammoth will be. So this is our woolly mammoth. So how is it looking like, children? It looks like what? Elephant, right? It looks like a elephant, right? But it is a woolly mammoth. This type of animals were living a long ago in a snowy region, snowy area. This woolly mammoth will live only in the snowy area, children, and will be having such lengthy and big horns. Big horns. So if you would have seen the Ice Age movie, you would have seen this mammoth in that. Mammoth, woolly mammoth, right? So it's a woolly mammoth, has the appearance like elephant, but still this woolly mammoth is a smaller, bit smaller than elephant in size. Bit smaller than elephant in size. So 2 woolly mammoths. See, this is the woolly mammoth. What is this? Repeat the name after me. What is this? Woolly mammoth.
Woolly mammoth.
Yes, woolly mammoth. How the dinosaur and the dodo has turned as an extinct animal. This woolly mammoth has also turned as a extinct animal. Woolly mammoth. There are no woolly mammoths living currently in this world. This world. All the species of woolly mammoth had died a long ago itself. No woolly mammoth. It has turned as an extinct animal. Woolly mammoth. What is this?
Woolly mammoth.
Yes, it is a woolly mammoth. Woolly mammoth. It is a woolly mammoth. So woolly mammoth, what does this? Woolly mammoth lives in a snowy region, icy region. Okay, woolly mammoth lives in a snowy or icy region. Okay, children. Now we have a worksheet for this to help this woolly mammoth to reach the reach its home place. So worksheet number is D74 CT. D74 CT. Can you all see the Uli Mammoth is standing here at the down? We have to help this Uli Mammoth to reach the top where the flag is. That is the place where this Uli Mammoth lives. Shall we all help the Uli Mammoth to reach there by finding the right way, children? Come on, let's do it. First, we'll start from here. The Uli Mammoth is going. You're done? So soon. Very good. So soon. Yes. Again, it's turning this way. Coming. Yes. It reached finally. There are 3 ways, children. 3 ways for Woolly Mammoth. Woolly Mammoth would have turned, if it would have turned this way, no? Even that, in that way also it can reach that flag. And here too. So in all these 3 ways, the Woolly Mammoth. Yes. Very good. Woolly Mammoth can reach the flag in all these 3 ways. What animal is this, Ma? What extinct animal is this? What is the name of it?
Woolly mammoth.
Woolly mammoth. So far we had learned 3 extinct animals. What are they? Dinosaur, dodo, it's a bird, and the
Woolly
what is
mammoth.
this? Woolly mammoth. 3 extinct animals. What is meant by extinct animals? The animals which are all not alive in this world now, had died a long ago. Those are called extinct animals, right? Extinct animals. Fill the date and name, children. 20 dot 10 dot 2021. Woolly mammoth. So woolly mammoth. So woolly mammoth. Have you all finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished, children. Superb. Next, I think Hiteshi, are you ready? I mean, Hiteshi I've given, right? Sorry. Nidulan, are you ready? Come on, Nidulan. You start giving your talk time.
சொல்லுங்க சொல்லுங்க
Good morning.
Friends, my name is Nirulan. I to tell about Mario animals. Jellyfish,
சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க
firefish, dolphin, clam, shark, octopus,
ஆக்டோபஸ்
octopus has 8 legs. Jellyfish, crab, shrimp, stick,
சத்தமா சொல்லு
squid,
ஸ்குவிட்
seaweed,
இல்ல சீவார் சொல்லு
seals,
சொல்லுங்க
There are 2 plants.
Okay. Yes. Sea plants.
And sea
Seaweeds.
Corals and seaweeds. Very good.
Green color.
Corals are.
Corals are color.
Color ones. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Super. Very nice session. I mean, Nidulan. Very good. Very good, Nidulan. Come on, everybody. Give him a big round of applause. So, if you want me to share, children, you can inform me by the start itself. Okay, I can share it. You can see and tell the names of it. Okay, children. Yes. Next, I have a story for you to say. The help of a worksheet. I'm going to tell a story. So take that worksheet and tell what could be that story. Okay. D74 ERP. See. What could be that story? The thirsty crow. Thirsty crow. The story is about a crow which was so thirsty. Are you all ready? Yes. First, children, number the pictures. I'll tell 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. One. It is 1. It is 2. It is 3. It is 4. It is 5. It is 6. So totally 6 pictures are here. First picture, there was a crow. There was a crow sitting in the branches, right? Sitting in the branch of a tree, which was so thirsty. Look at the picture. The crow is sitting in a branch of a tree, right? Which was so thirsty. So what will you do if you feel thirsty? Answer me.
Water.
You drink water, right? Likewise, the crow also wants water. It feels so thirsty as it is sitting in front of the sun for a long time. It feels exhausted. So what he did, he started searching for the water everywhere. He searched for the water everywhere, which is in the picture number 2. See, the crow is searching for the water everywhere. Can you all see? Just flying and seeing, is there any water? Is there any water? Is there any water? Like that, the crow was searching for it. And in the third picture, at last it found a water pot. At last it found a water pot. Water pot. So for the surprise, he looked inside the water pot. In the picture 4, in picture 3, it found a water pot. In picture 4, it just looking inside the water pot, but there is very little water, very less water, very less water, which the crow cannot drink. The beak of the crow is not touching the water. The crow saw some stones nearby. Children, can you see some stones nearby there? In the picture 4 and picture 3. Suddenly, the crow got an idea to pick up those stones and put inside the pot. The crow did so. The crow, what the idea that the crow had done so. It picked up the stones and put it inside the pot. So what happened next? In picture number 5, just putting the stone inside the pot. And in picture 6, what is happening? The water level came up and the crew drank the water. The water level came up and the crew drank that water. Super. Finally, the idea of the crew has worked out. Right? The idea of the crew has worked out and the water came up. The crow drank that water and fly away happily. Flew away happily. So one more time I'll tell. Listen carefully. After me, one of you or some of you may narrate this story. Whoever willing to narrate. Okay. First picture. In the picture 1, there was a crow which is sitting in the branch and feels so thirsty. Feels so thirsty. In picture 2, the crows was started searching for water everywhere. The crow started searching for water everywhere. Finally, at last, it found a
Ma'am,
pot.
I have a question.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I'm going to a new house.
So yes, I will come to you. I will complete the story. Then I will come to your story. Okay, dear. So listen first. Okay. So in the third picture, the crow found a pot here. Crow found a pot. The crow has become so happy that it found a water pot as it is so thirsty. But for the surprise of crow, there was very little water in the pot. There was very little water in the pot. And the crow thought, the crow was having an idea that the stones which was nearby to it, it just picked those stones and put it inside the pot. The crow picked the stone which is near to the pot and put it inside the pot. That made the water to come up. The water level rise up. And the crow drank the water. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. So yes, now tell me who is going to narrate the story by seeing these pictures. Who is ready? Who is ready?
Evil.
Me means? Who is that? Name? Manasa. Okay, Manasa. Come on. Narrate the story by seeing the pictures.
I tell ma'am.
Next. First Manasa, next Arya. Wait. Come on, Manasa.
Okay. There's a white crow sitting on the branch.
Okay.
Very thirsty.
Okay.
Chasing crystal water.
Okay.
And she found the water pot.
Okay.
She at the water pot. There's some water inside.
Okay, there is very little water inside.
Very less water. And she have idea, no idea. She put the stone inside and come up.
Okay.
Water come up.
Okay.
She picked it and fly away.
Super. Very good. Everybody claps for her. Clap for her. Super, Manasa. Very nice. Next, Arya
Bye,
said.
everybody.
Yes. Arya said, Arya. Yes, Seshant is next to Arya. Arya, come on.
Arya, tell the story. What is this? The crow is? சொல்லு.
ஏன் இந்த low with the low?
நான் ஆன் பண்றேன். நீ சொல்லு. Yeah. சொல்லு Arya, tell the story. Ma'am is waiting.
Arya, come on, dear.
Fine. There was crow. He was very thirsty.
கத்தி சொல்லு.
He fly away and he found a pot was in water. He tried to reach it, but the water was too low.
Okay.
And he got the idea. That idea was picking up the stones and put it in the water, and the water came up and crow drink it and fly away.
Super. Very nice. So fastly narrated. Very good, but still. Super, Arya. Next, Seshant, ready?
Sir clap பண்ணாங்க ma'am. Srishan's not ready to telling story ma'am.
Oh, he clapped. Okay, okay, fine. So who else is going to narrate the story? Who else is willing? Hitaishi.
Me.
Yes. 1 minute, Hitaishi. Shivanjali, are you also going to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. First Hitaishi, next Shivanjali. Come on, Hitaishi.
The crow is thirsty. She's searching for the pot,
For the water.
Okay.
for the water.
Next.
She is less water there.
Okay, next.
He got the stones. He picked the stones
Okay.
near the pot
Okay.
and the crow put the stones. The water came back upside.
Okay. The water come up. Okay. Then
She drank. Oh, she's not thirsty. She already drank the water.
okay. Very nice. Come on, everybody. Do claps for Hitaishi. So yes, Shivanjali. Next will be Prisha. Come on, Shivanjali.
Crow is so thirsty
Okay.
and is search for the water
Okay.
and is got on one pot
Okay.
and is looking there.
Okay.
Look, the water is
Yes.
there in the pot
Okay.
and is thinking.
Okay.
This got idea.
Oh, what idea? சொல்லுங்க கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க
Pick the stone and put it the pot.
Okay.
And water is come
Water.
up
Yes.
and is drink it and flying so happy.
Super. Very good. Everybody, come on. The applause for Shivanjali. Next, Prisha. Ready?
The dolls were thirsty and he is looking for water
Hmm.
and he found the water and there's a little bit of water
Hmm.
and he found the idea. He can throw the stones
Hmm.
Pot.
inside the pot
Hmm.
and he drink it. That's all.
And finally, play away happily,
And
right?
the water.
Super. Very good, everybody. Come on, give her a big round of applause. So yes, I will stop it here. Others, whoever wants to say, can tell the story tomorrow. Okay, children, be ready. Yes, those who want to narrate the story, I'll give you chances tomorrow. That's it for today. We'll see you all. Bye. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Bye. Mommy,
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mom. Bye, Mom.
Bye, Cyprian. Bye, Santosh.
Bye, Mom.
Rutvik.
Bye.
Ma'am, I'm able to visible to you, ma'am.
No.
Some technical issue.
Okay. So, Santosh, you can leave, dear. Santosh.
Nada.
Yeah.
The name was small.
Okay, Santosh left, I think. No problem. So, Rutvik. Yesterday, I've checked your homework, right? Till 40 you have written, no?
Yes, ma'am. He'll learn up to 40.
No problem, ma'am.